Another person has been charged in relation to last month's murder of Tamara Geddes in Trelawney. On Friday, the police charged 3 of her relatives in connection with the killing.
The plot thickens in the case of Tamara Geddes, the Trelawney woman who received a fatal shot to the head on June 19 this year while at home in the reserve community in the parish. As investigations continue, the police have charged a 4th woman in connection with the 32-year-old woman's killing. Tashana Young, a 33-year-old from Salt Spring in St. James, was charged on Sunday morning with murder and conspiracy to murder. She was taken into custody on Wednesday by the Westmoreland police. The police revealed that Young conspired with Tamara's 3 relatives who were charged on Friday in connection with the killing. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, revealed that Tamara's sister, 39-year-old Nadine Geddes, and her 2 nieces, 21-year-old Shanice Ruddock and another who is a minor, were charged after being taken in for questioning on Tuesday. It's reported that during interrogation, they confessed to contracting a hitman to perform the killing. Our news team understands that the relatives who have been charged were often in conflict with the deceased. They're scheduled to appear in the Trelawney Parish Court on Wednesday. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.